Starting on a journey of transformation and personal growth through the power of words can profoundly impact your life. Manifestation, a powerful process that aligns your spoken and inner words with your deepest desires, offers a clear path to turning your dreams into reality. While we look into the various ways to harness this potential, we'll discover how to effectively use language to shape our futures and achieve what we truly seek. Let's explore these transformative strategies and learn to apply them daily, ensuring that our words always echo our aspirations. First, let's understand what manifestation really means. Simply put, manifestation is bringing something tangible into your life through attraction and belief. That is, if you think it, it will come. But it's not just about wishful thinking. It involves believing, thinking, and acting in ways that support what you desire. It's about aligning your actions, thoughts, and words with your goals. Many of you might have heard about the law of attraction, which suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. Manifestation uses this very concept, but involves more clear and focused steps to turn dreams into reality. Now, why focus on language? Well, words are powerful. They have the energy and power to help us create our reality. When we speak, we emit vibrations into the universe. Positive words tend to uplift our spirits and can elevate our mindset, making it conducive to manifesting good things. On the other hand, negative words can do just the opposite. By changing our language to be more positive, we influence our environment and pave the way for positive outcomes. Preparing ourselves for manifestation is crucial. It begins with creating a positive environment. This means surrounding yourself with positivity. This could be positive people, positive content, and maintaining a clutter-free space that makes you feel good. Your environment significantly affects your mood and your ability to think positively, which in turn affects your manifestation power. Next is mental preparation. To effectively manifest your dreams, your mind must be prepared to receive and create. This means clearing out any lingering negative thoughts and replacing them with positive ones. It's about believing in your ability to achieve what you're dreaming about. Daily meditation or mindfulness exercises can help in maintaining a clear and focused mind, which is essential for manifestation. Now that we understand the fundamentals of manifestation and how our environment and mindset play a crucial role, let's look into the powerful world of words and phrases. Remember, the words we choose are not just a form of expression, but tools that can shape our reality. Let's begin by identifying words that carry power. Words like success, joy, health, abundance, and peace are not just positive. They carry a vibrational frequency that can align our energy with our desires. When we use these words regularly, we begin to not only feel the effects in our emotions, but also see changes in our surroundings. By consistently incorporating these powerful words into our daily conversations and thoughts, we set an energetic tone that helps in manifesting our goals. Now, Sarasuri is It's also crucial to understand the impact these words have on our subconscious mind. Our subconscious doesn't perform reality checks. It simply absorbs and acts upon what we feed it. So by feeding it positive and powerful words, we are programming it to believe in positive outcomes, which in turn helps us to manifest our dreams. Now let's talk about specific phrases that manifest dreams. Phrases like, I am capable of achieving greatness, I attract abundance naturally, my life is filled with joy and peace, and every day I grow stronger and closer to my dreams are potent. These phrases should be personalized to fit your own dreams and aspirations. For instance, if you are aiming to improve your health, you might use a phrase like, I am embracing a healthy lifestyle every day. Repeating these phrases daily reinforces your belief in your ability back to the universe. It's a signal that you're ready and willing to see these changes. Make it a habit to start your day by affirming your dreams with these powerful phrases. Whether it's in your morning meditation, while you're commuting, or as you prepare for your day, keep these affirmations flowing. While we integrate these powerful words and phrases into our daily routines, it's important to also discuss how we can use them in specific activities to enhance their effectiveness. One of the most impactful ways to do this is through visualization. When you use your powerful words, try to also visualize the outcome. For example, when you say, "I am attracting abundance naturally," visualize what abundance looks like for you. Is it a new job, a happy family, financial stability? Picture it clearly in your mind as you speak the words. This combination of visualization and powerful speech is like supercharging your manifestation efforts. It sends a clear and powerful message to the universe about your desires. The clearer the image and the words, the more likely that they are to materialize. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming the mind and focusing your intentions. When combined with the power of affirming words, meditation becomes an even stronger agent for change in your life. Here's how you can use words effectively in your meditation practice. Start by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Begin by focusing on your breath, letting your body relax deeper with each breath. Once you feel centered, start introducing your powerful phrases into your meditation. Repeat them silently or aloud, whichever feels more powerful to you. For example, if your focus is on attracting prosperity, you might repeat, "I am open to receiving abundance in various forms." Visualize this abundance coming to you while feeling the emotions that accompany your visualization. And this practice not only helps set the stage for manifestation, but also deeply embeds these desires into your subconscious. It's important to note that successful manifestation doesn't happen overnight. This brings us to the vital aspect of long-term commitment. Manifestation is not a one-time event, but a continuous process that requires persistence and dedication. The universe works at its own pace, and it's crucial that you stay patient and persistent with your puao. To maintain your commitment, keep a journal of your progress. Write down any small changes or successes you notice. Celebrate these victories, no matter how small, as they are signs that your efforts are paying off. Continuously remind yourself why you started this journey and what your goals are. Revisiting your intentions regularly helps reinforce your commitment and belief in the process. Visualization is a potent tool in your manifestation toolkit. It's about more than just seeing. It's about feeling and believing in the reality you want to create. To enhance your visualization, use specific power-packed words that align with your dreams. For instance, if you are visualizing a new career, use affirming words like fulfillment, passion, and success while picturing yourself in that role. Here's how you can practice. Find a quiet space where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Begin to picture your ideal scenario in as much detail as possible. Now start narrating your vision to yourself, incorporating those powerful words. For example, say to yourself, "I am now stepping into a role filled with passion and success. I feel fulfilled each day at work." Feel the emotions associated with these words and the scene you are creating. While practicing visualization, it's important to maintain a sense of present reality in your affirmations. State your affirmations in the present tense to make them more powerful and immediate. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." This subtle shift in language encourages your subconscious to believe that these qualities and successes are already yours, making it an active force in manifesting them. Consistency is key in making these practices effective. Incorporate these visualization techniques into your daily routine. Even just a few minutes a day can have a profound impact. Over time, this consistent practice helps to rewire your brain and reinforce the belief in your abilities and your dreams. To support your consistency, it's helpful to set specific times for your visualization practices, whether it's first thing in the morning during your lunch break or right before you go to bed. Find a time that works for you and stick with it. Consistency not only enhances the effectiveness of your manifestations, but also helps you develop a habit of positivity and purposeful thinking. As we wrap up today's discussion, remember that advanced techniques like visualization are powerful enhancers to your manifestation efforts. They require practice and persistence, but the results can truly be life-changing. Keep pushing forward, maintain your daily practices, and believe in the power of your words and visions. Thank you for tuning in today. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And don't forget to turn on notifications to never miss a new release. Your journey to manifesting your dreams is important, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Keep envisioning your success and using your powerful words daily. You are closer than you think to making your dreams a reality. See you in the next video.